Hi, I'm Amy with Communications by Design, and today I'm going to be sharing with you 6 things that you probably didn't know you could do in Schoology. These include using the new elementary theme, rescoring assessments, moderating discussion posts, changing the default landing page of your course, rearranging your course dashboard, and using the bulk edit feature in the gradebook. So let's get started. The first feature is the elementary theme, which is a new feature in Schoology. If you are an elementary school teacher, in particular kindergarten through 2nd grade, this will be beneficial for you. And one thing to know is you do need to have a Schoology Enterprise account. So this needs to be an account through your school or district, not the free teacher account. To turn on the elementary theme in your course, go to Course Options under the picture for your course, and go to Edit Privacy Course Settings. Scroll down and here you will see Course Theme, and by default it will be on secondary. That's the usual theme for Schoology, and you can select elementary. Again, you'll only see this if you have a Schoology Enterprise account through your district and your Schoology administrator needs to turn this feature on for everyone. So if you do have an enterprise account but you don't see this feature, you can reach out to your Schoology administrator and ask them to turn that on for you. I'm going to click Save Changes and go back to my course. And you'll see here that it doesn't look any different, right? Because this only changes the view for your students. It's not going to change anything for you in your teacher view. But now when I go to View Course As and I choose one of my students, I'm seeing this new course view. So each activity or assignment is listed in a much larger box, and you'll see that each one has a picture. So once you switch to the elementary theme, you can add a different picture or icon to each assignment, which could be helpful for students to know what's what or what to do. Maybe they're looking for the bear, or they're going to go in numerical order, and I can see the one here, so I need to start here. Otherwise, things will be pretty similar to what they looked like before for your students. The second feature I want to go over is the new ability to rescore assessments. So I'm going to go into assessment here. These have already been automatically graded. So I can go into one of my questions and I see that I have the wrong answer selected, so I can choose the correct answer now. And rather than having to manually change all of my students' scores, it's prompting me automatically, asking me if I would like to rescore the submissions. So I can choose rescore submissions and it's going to automatically update those scores for the students with that changed correct answer that I've made. Another feature you have in your Schoology course is the ability to moderate student discussion posts. Discussion moderation allows me to approve or delete student discussion board posts before they're visible to the rest of the class. So you'll see that I actually have this feature turned on here, and I have this bar at the top of my course that's telling me there's one pending post that requires my approval. So it does alert you here when you have discussion board posts to approve. If you'd like to turn this feature on, click the course options menu in the upper left, go to moderate posts, and you'll see here's my student post that I need to approve or delete. Before you turn this on, you'll just see an option here that says enable moderation. So you'll do that first. I already have this turned on, and so here it's showing me my posts. I just have one. If you have multiples, you can select all of them, select some of them, and choose to approve it or choose to delete it. So I'm going to approve this post. And now it will be visible to the student who wrote that in the discussion board as well as the rest of the class. Another feature in Schoology to more customize your course is the ability to make the updates page your default landing page of your course. This is your updates tab here. This is helpful if you frequently use these updates to communicate with students or parents. If you want to ensure that these updates are front and center when people come to your course, you can set this page as your default landing page in the course, and then students would manually click over to the Materials tab. To set your default landing page to updates, click Course Options and then Edit Privacy Course Settings. You're going to scroll down to the bottom. You'll see here that because I have this course set on the elementary theme, I don't have this option. So this option only works if you have your course set to the secondary theme, and then you can choose the default landing page to be either materials or updates. In Schoology, you can also rearrange your courses so that you see the courses and in the order that you want here in this tile menu. To do that, go to your Schoology homepage and you'll see you have a recent activity tab and a course dashboard tab. On the course dashboard tab, this is where you will see all of your courses, not just the 12 or so that appear here when you click courses. So in the course dashboard, you can click any course and move it around. I can take a course from the bottom of this list and move it up. So whatever you order, you put them in here. The first 12 will display in that order when you click the courses menu at the top. You also can choose to make the recent activity tab or this course dashboard tab your default Schoology homepage when you log in. And you can do that by clicking your name in the upper right corner and going to the settings and adjusting it there. Okay, here is the sixth final feature that I want to show you in Schoology, and this is the bulk edit feature in the Schoology gradebook. So if you use the Schoology gradebook, you can actually view all of your assignments and the settings and details for all of your assignments in one place. So I'm clicking on the gradebook, clicking the three dots in the upper right-hand corner, and then go to bulk edit. So here I can see all of my assignments. This is really great before you maybe submit grades or to check periodically and make sure you have everything set as you would like. So sometimes you might notice that you maybe have some assignments unpublished, that's this column here, and you mean to have them published, and you'll be able to see that easily here. You can check the assignment categories, the points, the due dates. I can see I don't have due dates for some of these. If I'm syncing it, if you sync your gradebook to another grading program, I can see which ones I'm syncing here. So I can view all of this in one place. I can make any changes that I need rather than having to go in and examine every single assignment. Okay, that was 6 features that will hopefully make your life in Schoology a little bit easier. Thanks for watching.